Okay, I have a confession. I used to think I was a Windows pro until I discovered these 10 secret shortcuts. Today, I'm sharing them with you so you can level up too. Let's get started. Welcome back with another amazing video. Start with Pro Shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus F10 to open the context menu for the currently selected item. Essentially, it does the same thing as right-clicking with your mouse. Press Ctrl plus Windows plus left or right arrow to switch between virtual desktops without touching your mouse. Want apps to launch automatically when Windows starts? Press Windows plus R, type shell : startup, and add your favorite programs here. Renaming multiple files? Don't waste time clicking. Just rename one file, press Tab, and move instantly to the next. Need to check the date quickly? Forget the mouse. Press Windows plus Alt plus D to open the calendar instantly. Control plus Tab. If you have multiple windows of the same app open, like Chrome tabs or Word documents, this shortcut lets you cycle through them quickly. Combine it with Control plus Shift plus Tab to go backward. Press Windows plus a number to open the corresponding app pinned to your taskbar. If I press Windows plus 4, then VLC will open. Too many windows open? Press Windows plus Home to minimize everything except your active window. Press Windows plus V to open the clipboard history, where you can access everything you've copied recently. A lifesaver for multitaskers who need to reuse text or images.